In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for HR. Whether you're part of a small team or a large organization, Monday.com offers a variety of tools to streamline your human resources operations. Let's walk through setting up and using a board tailored to HR needs smoothly and efficiently. First, open your preferred internet browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login option at the top right corner and give it a click. Now, you might have multiple ways to log in, but in this demonstration, we'll choose to log in using Google. Click on the Google option, and then you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Make sure to select the account associated with your Monday.com access. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your main user dashboard. Now, let's add something new. On the left panel, you'll notice a plus icon, a small button that often signifies the creation of a new item. Click that. This opens up a range of options, but today we're focusing on templates designed specifically for HR. Next, look for and click on the Template Center. This fantastic feature houses numerous templates, each crafted for different tasks and project types. In the Template Center, you will see a series of tabs or categories. Since we're focusing on HR today, click on the HR tab. This will filter the templates and only show those related to human resources tasks. Here comes the fun part, choosing the right template for your specific needs. Browse through the HR templates available. You might see templates for recruitment tracking, employee onboarding, or performance reviews. Take your time to preview and choose a template that aligns closely with what you need or are interested in managing. Once you've found the ideal template, go ahead and click on it. After selecting your preferred template, you'll notice an option to Use Template. Click this, and it will automatically set up the template within your Monday.com dashboard, ready for you to customize further as needed. This is where you can adjust columns, rename sections, and input data relevant to your team's HR activities. Using this template streamlines your processes, ensuring consistency and saving valuable time. And there you have it, a straightforward path to utilizing Monday.com for HR purposes. From logging in to setting up your initial HR template, you now have a foundational understanding of how Monday.com can be tailored to meet your human resources needs. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other videos for more tips on maximizing your use of Monday.com for various aspects of your work.